There are many different ways that you can add content quickly into your Joomla website. One great tool is called Mass Content. In this lesson, we're going to install the tool. We're going to then create categories all at the same time. And then we're going to quickly create content articles, again, all at the same time. To download the tool, I'm going to go to the Joomla extensions directory and in the search type Mass Content and hit enter to refresh. I can scroll down and I can see here the tool Mass Content. There are other Mass Content tools that you can use as well. This Mass Content tool was originally created in 1.5, and pretty recently, the end of 2011, they created a version that will work with 1.6 and 1.7. Eventually, they're hoping to also add the automatic creation of menu items as well. So I would always go directly to their website to see what the newest version of it is. To go to their website, I can click on the bottom link of batacore.com. On the left, I can click on Download. To get the newest version, the way the site is right now, I click on where it says Mass Content. And I can see the version which was created most recently, and then click Download. Click Save. Once I've downloaded, I can now go to my Administrator panel, go to Extensions, Extension Manager, and then click Browse to install it. I'm going to find com_mass content, click Open, and then upload and install. Once it's installed, I can now use the component. If I go to Components, Mass Content, in Mass Content, there's a control panel, articles, and categories. First, we're going to add categories. Once you click on categories, you can see the way the screen works out is each category is its own box. So in title here, I can create staff. Let's say I want to create a category for staff information. I have the option to select a parent here if I want this category to be nested within another category. But for now, I just want it as no parent. I can put a description for that category. If I scroll down, the next one gives me an opportunity to add another category. This one, I want to call it members. This category can create articles for members of my aquarium. For the parent, I'm going to leave it as no parent. If you keep scrolling down, you can see you can add up to 5 categories at this point. When you're done, you can click Save and Close. And now once you're done, you can go to Content and Category Manager, and you can see the new categories that you created down here, staff and members. The next step is I want to create mass content, or the actual articles. If I go to Components and Mass Content, and then click either Add New Article, or I can click Articles right here on the top. The way the mass content works for the articles is very similar to the way it works for the categories. Basically, you have a separate article page for each article that you want to add. I can add up to 5 articles at a time. If I want to add more articles, I can click on Options on the top right, and I could change the number of articles to another number if I want. For right now, I'm going to leave it as 5 and then just click Cancel. Let's say I want to create articles that I want to put inside of the members' information. So basically, these are articles that are only for members of the aquarium. So one article I want to put in is Special Hours. The category will be Members. And here I will put that we have special hours for members only. Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The next article I want to put in is our free day. This is a free day for members only. I can change the category to members. And in here, I'm going to put in Monday is always free for all members and their families. Another article I want to put in here is special dinner for members only. Dinner for members. Make sure to select the category of members. And in here, I'm going to mention that on Friday night at 7 p.m., we have a free dinner for members only. Once I've created my 3 articles, I can scroll up to the top and just click Save and Close. To verify that I created those 3 articles, if I go to Content and Article Manager, and change the category to members, I can see here these articles were created and all at the same time. If I had to go into the article manager and create them one at a time, it would have taken much longer. This is a really great way to create multiple articles on your website. Another great reason to use this tool is if you're just starting your website and you want to create basically a shell of the website. So you know basic content that you want to put in there. So you can create your categories, the articles, get everything all set up, and then moving forward, you can go into each article at a time and make whatever edits that you need. In this lesson, first we installed the tool called Mass Content. We then quickly created categories all at the same time. And then we created articles, again, all at the same time, instead of doing it one article at a time.